लोग खुलते हैं और बंद होते हैं, फिल्में कितनी बनती हैं, फिल्में कितनी अटकी पड़ी हुई है, लेकिन रिलीज वही होता है जो अच्छे होते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ एवरी बिजनेस. I believe this is the best period for this industry, and I pray that there are a lot more apps like Vayu that come in, follow this method and say, you know what, revenue streams अलग कर लेंगे, memberships कर लेंगे, लेकिन 30% की मार्जिन है, 30% शायद ही मार्जिन है, वो ही आप लेकर जा रहे हो, तो आप क्या लोगे? जैसे कि मैंने कहा, हम लोग सर्वाइव होते थे क्योंकि घर से दूध, रेस्टोरेंट से दूध, रेस्टोरेंट से चावल, रेस्टोरेंट से वेजिटेबल्स, रेस्टोरेंट से सब कुछ आता था. तो पिताजी के एक चीज़ पता था कि फैमिली मेरी भूखी नहीं रहेगी, बाकी एजुकेशन के लिए प्रोवाइड करना था, जिसके लिए वो मेहनत करते थे. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएटेड एवरीथिंग इन माय लाइफ.
Right. Hi. Kabir here from Entrepreneur India. First of all, congratulations to the founders for getting our very own Gopi Kishan as the brand ambassador. Now, question for the co-founders.
Will have on the WTC final in his absence?
I think India has got a great team, and these things continue to happen. I guess we all have to pray for his speedy recovery. He gets into surgery tomorrow and should be back soon and fighting. He's a sportsman. He plays for the country, so country above everything else. And I think no individual player is bigger than the country. So WTC India has got a phenomenal team, an unbelievable amount of talent sitting on that bench there. So maybe it's that one more opportunity, for another boy to go there and shine. Rahul got the opportunity in the same way. I want everybody to pray for his recovery. That's about it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, there's a question right there.
Hi, Samir here from Movie Talkies. Sunil Anna here. Sir, celebrities, are often blamed for, endorsing brands if something goes wrong. So what are your thoughts, because you are one of those celebrities who hasn't, endorsed any wrong thing yet. And secondly, since you are the man who would, masses connect to, आप कैसे कहना चाहोगे, how safe is Vayu app for them?
First of all, I've been lucky that nothing's gone wrong with any of the brands I've endorsed. It's also about a lot of luck. We go with a lot of faith. Everybody believes that what you're doing is probably right. See, I've never seen money over anything else. For me, money has never been important. The brand has been important. I may be wrong. I might make the wrong choices. But if you tell me ये करना, I'm very clear कि मेरे पास लाना भी मत. मैं बात भी नहीं करूँगा. लेकिन ये क्या है, मैं इस इंडस्ट्री को मैंने हमेशा बिलोंग किया है, मेरे पिताजी ने बिलोंग किया हुआ है. यहाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ कि एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, वो सॉल्व हो रही है. और स्टार्टअप, और इसका मतलब ही ये है कि जब आपको एक प्रॉब्लम दिखाई देती, वही आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. क्या उसे आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो, वो आपके टेक पे, आपके मैनेजमेंट पे बेस्ड है. यहाँ एक छोटी सी टीम है, एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव कंजर्वेटिव टीम, लेकिन पॉजिटिव टीम है. और साथ साथ जब एस्टैब्लिशमेंट्स ही आपके पार्टनर्स है, वो तो 30% पार्टनर्स ही हुए ना, क्योंकि वो ही उनकी बचत भी है. और उससे ना ही वो अपने कस्टमर्स को फायदा दे सकते, लेकिन अपने रेस्टोरेंट्स के अपग्रेडिंग की भी बात कर सकते हैं कंटिन्यूसली. तो एक बहुत बड़ा मार्जिन है कि उसी मार्जिन पे तो सब कुछ बसा हुआ है F&B इंडस्ट्री में. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ नो ब्रेनर. अगर फेल भी हुए तो दोबारा कोशिश करेंगे, कुछ और करेंगे. जहाँ दैट्स व्हाई आई हैट्स ऑफ टू अनिरुद्ध, मंदार, Anna sitting here, Sukesh, for believing that they can make that change. And it's because it's only belief that can do it. And it's already happening. 1000+ restaurateurs already है. और अगर आप जैसे कस्टमर्स हुए, आप लोगों ने इसे एनकरेज किया, तो हो जाएगा. आज रेस्टोरेंट बॉयज़ की बात कर रहे हैं, मैं बोला हम डब्बे वाले क्यों नहीं इन्वॉल्व करते? उनकी बहुत बड़ी टीम है, क्यों वो नहीं बन सकते वो लोग जो डिलीवरी सिस्टम को हैंडल कर सकते हैं? They have been the backbone of of Mumbai. तो आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो एक करके हम इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं और इसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसमें सबकी ज़रूरत होती है. एंड लाइक आई सेड, कैश बर्न को अगर हम अवॉइड करके कैश पॉजिटिव चले और एक MSME की माइंडसेट से हम चले, आई डोंट थिंक व्हाई वी कैन गो रॉन्ग.
Hello. Yeah. This is a very excellent recall value brand name Vayu. Congratulations for that. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Jyoti.
I wanted to check with you that besides the zero commission benefit that is passed on to the customer, do you also ensure quick delivery, because Vayu represents, speed. Yeah, so in terms of, will the waiting time be reduced drastically, or, what is the kind of assurance?
Here to join us, and Mr. Pranav Rungta, Head of NRAI, that's National Restaurant Association of India, Mumbai, to please join us on stage for Mr. Praveen, Mr. Madhukar Shetty, Mr. Umesh, Mr. Pranav, Mr. Riaz, Mr. Pradeep Shetty, Mr. Padma from Grab, Mr. Ketan Dadaya from Paytm, Mr. Nad Bhaskarwar from Jupiter, Mr. Santosh Rai, Mr. Nitin Shetty, Mr. Sunil Patil, Mr. Amar Shetty, Dr. Satish Shetty, Mr. Shashidhar Shetty, Mr. Suresh Shetty, Mr. Pramod Kamath, Mr. Sankarshan Nayak, Mr. Prakash Shetty, Mr. Anup Shetty, Mr. Jayanand Nayak. Yes, can we get all of them together? And also we have space below the stage picture. Please request Mr. Sunil Shetty, Mr. Anirudh and Mr. Mandar to join us back on stage. Everybody else, thank you so much for being so cognizant. May I request Mr. Mandar, Mr. Anirudh and Mr. Sunil Shetty to please remain on stage. May I request the Vayu team to please join us on stage for... Could we please have you placed, and let's look at the camera. And 3, 2, 1. Thank you to the team. May I request Sunil sir. Yes, can we get Sunil sir's solo pictures now, please? Can we request Mandar and Anirudh to step towards the sides? Can we request the AHA team to please be ready for a picture? The AHA team, please step forward quickly. AHA team. Yes, gentlemen, let's face the camera. And 3, 2, Please look into the camera, give us a big smile. Thank you. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you. May I request Mr. Mandar, Mr. Anirudh, and Mr. Sunil sir to please stay back. All of the other team members, thank you. Sunil sir, can we have you on stage for just the last few seconds? Thank you, gentlemen. May I please request you take...
You, all of you, especially my friends from the media, to support the app because hopefully, and we're trying our best to make a difference. And thank you, Ahar, and all the other associations for believing. And I think it's somewhere down the line, it ideated from where the idea came from you all, and Anirudh and Mandar put it together. When they discussed it with me, I thought it was an absolute brilliant idea. Was wondering how we'd survive in this competitive market, but I think when you're good, you manage to survive like we have survived all these years in an alien land completely to us. I mean, this is our Karma Bhumi. Not our Janmabhoomi, but still has given us probably as much as our Janmabhoomi did. So thank you.
Thank you so much. With that, we come to the end of the press conference, but our esteemed media members that you're here, we have our co-founders, Mandar and Anirudh, available along with Sunil sir for the one-on-one interactions. We are going to request the team to escort them, please. And thank you, members of the media and all of our guests for being here. May I request you please join us for some refreshments.